What if your greenhouse could automatically control temperature, lighting, watering and ventilation all powered by Arduino? In this video I'll show you my fully automatic smart greenhouse system designed for healthier plant growth and energy efficient farming. Hi everyone, welcome back to Hamza Robo. Today I'm excited to show you my Arduino smart greenhouse project. This system continuously monitors the greenhouse environment and automatically control heating, cooling, lighting, irrigation and ventilation to create the perfect condition for plants. The greenhouse features two independent growing tunnels allowing different plant sections to be monitored while maintaining balanced environment through the greenhouse. One of the most unique features is the smart heat transfer system. If one growing tunnel becomes warm while other tunnel is cold, the Arduino automatically turns on an exhaust fan to transfer warm air from the hot tunnel to the cooler one. This reuses heat efficiently and reduces energy consumption. If both tunnels become too cold, the intelligent heating system automatically turns on to maintain the ideal temperature for healthier plant growth. Once the target temperature reached, the heater switches off automatically. If the greenhouse temperature rises too high, the Arduino activates the automatic exhaust fan cooling system to remove exhaust heat and protect the plant from overheating. When both greenhouse tunnels become too hot, a stepper motor automatically opens ventilation flaps, allowing fresh air to enter while releasing hot air outside. This provides natural ventilation, keeps the greenhouse at a safe temperature. The greenhouse also includes an automatic irrigation system. Whenever the plant needs water, the Arduino automatically activates the irrigation system. An LDR light sensor continuously measures the surrounding light level. When it becomes dark, the Arduino automatically turns on the UV growing lights, ensuring plants receive enough light for healthy growth, even at night or on cloudy days. A LCD display provides the real-time information, including the current temperature and greenhouse system status, making it easy to monitor the entire automation process. This project demonstrates how Arduino can automate nearly every aspect of the greenhouse, making plant care smarter, more efficient, more reliable. Whether you are a student, maker, or agriculture enthusiast, this project is a great example for modern smart farming. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Hamza Robo and comment below with the Arduino project you'd like to see the next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.